Hello friends, in the previous video we saw a lot of things about the Django. In the today's section we are gonna make a project, a web application in absolutely Django. So in the last ending of the video we are gonna achieve is we are gonna remove all the special characters from our text. Yes. So let's make a program. So first go in URLs. Let's make a path. Here I'm gonna path is home. So home, for home I'm just gonna do is I'm simply here make a views dot I'm gonna just simply name it home. So home, you can see an error because we ain't make a function. Okay, now we made a views.home. Now name equal to home again. Okay, name equal to home. Okay, we just made a path. Okay, let's try in here def home. It take a request by parameter and I'm gonna just now return HTTP response. Okay, we are done here. I'm just gonna print home for now and let's see, the error is gone. Let's Control S and run it. You can see a terminal is loaded and boom, we got home. Now let's decorate this. We are not gonna return HTTP response. We are gonna return a template through home.html. I made these two HTML file. You can see here home.html and site2.html. I'm just gonna return render. If you ain't import render, so import in now. So in the render I'm gonna return first is request and the second is home.html. So now in the home.html file I'm gonna just put decoration of HTML. Let's say I am gonna add one. No, first I'm gonna start with center. Okay, just remove this center. Now head one and now welcome to home page and I'm gonna just put a text here, font color and font size here. Font size equal to I'm gonna just 30px and color is let's say purple because I like purple color and that's it. We can change font face too, but let's change font face too. Okay, font face equal to I'm gonna write impact or let's see how our home page is looking. Control S, no error. Let's go on the Google Chrome. Let's reload this. Okay, this is our home page. Welcome to home page. I think size is too big, so I'm gonna size. Let's lower the size like 25 is best. Okay, let's see. It isn't changing, so I'm gonna just go in and remove this size because we already made a we already add a HTML head one tag. Okay, this is too small, but it is, let's put size 5 pixel. Let's run this code and see how it is looking. Yes, this is kind of good. So this is our home page, you can see. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna add a text box here, and for that we are gonna just add a text area in the form. If you don't know about anything about HTML and CSS, go and see the video in YouTube. So I'm gonna just make a form. Okay, form, and then close it. Yes, this is good. Okay, in the between forms we are gonna add a text area. So text area, and let's see how it is looking like. Let's reload this, and you can see a small text area is here. We can change it from here to, you can see. So now we are gonna do is, when you write something here, you can see this is font is very small. We can change the font. So for changing font in the text area is this code, style equal to font size, and you can change, like I'm gonna put here 25 pt. Let's Ctrl S, and we want to do this text area in the center. So I'm just gonna do is, just gonna cut, I'm gonna paste center code and Ctrl V. Okay, let's see now how it is looking. You can see here the text area is now in the middle of center means, and you can see the font is small. Now what we want to do is, we want to change this text box size. So I'm just gonna do like this. You can see I'm just gonna change it, and now I'm gonna go in the Chrome, in the inspect. So where is the inspect? Yes, right click and inspect, and you can see the code here. So where is our code? Yes, this is our code in the form between. Okay, center. Okay, this is our, we just need to do is copy, edit as HTML, and copy this code, style and whatever it is. Copy this whole code, Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Okay, now go in the PyCharm and remove this to this. Okay, let's Ctrl S and let's reload this and see how it is looking. Okay, so it seems very nice. Like you can see here, I'm writing anything here, and it is kind of good. Okay, now let's label here, write a text kind of. Let's go on a PyCharm. I'm gonna just write here font, and I'm gonna just copy this code and I'm gonna just change it to enter text here. Size is not 5, size is 2 is good, and the color is blue. Okay, let's test this. Ctrl S, Windows, Chrome, reload. You can see here a small enter text label is here. I didn't like this font face. I'm gonna change it to orbit. Ctrl S and reload. and you can see here enter the text here is looking good. Okay, now go on PyCharm. I'm gonna just change this size. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna here we can store the value in the name variable, name equal to text. You can see name equal to text. Sorry, I put this code in form. We need to put this code in the text area. Okay, so where is the text area? Yes, this is our text area. So just put name equal to text. Okay, we got our text value, and in the form we are gonna put action equal to site2. This is our site2, site2.html. Okay, we are done here. Now go on the URL, make a new path named site2, site2, and name, changed it, name site2, and here again change site2, and then make a new function def site2, put a request parameter, and then return render request and site2.html. Okay, now we are gonna add a button in here in the form. So let's add button in the center, button type equal to submit. This is kind of good now, and in the button we are gonna add submit text. Let's see how it is looking. Go on Google Chrome, reload this, and you can see here a small button. So when we click here, we put an action in the form. So when we click here, it will be redirected in the second site named site2. You can see here, and text is equal to plus. But when we put text here like all in one code and then submit, you can see here text equal to all in one code. So this is good now. We store the text in the text variable. Okay, now let's go in the PyCharm. Now let's make another button, but this time we are gonna add a check button for center. Always put center. And now for the check box we are gonna put a input and type equal to checkbox. Okay, and we are gonna put text is, we are gonna just put text is remove special character. Okay, our job is done here. Control S. Let's see it is showing or not. Yes, this is good kind of. You can see here a small check button. Let's go on PyCharm. And you know why the font is blue and orbit? Because we can't end the font here. Okay, now it isn't showing blue. You can see. Okay, now it is showing purple because we want to end here font 2. Now it is not showing. Purple again. Let's reload this. Okay, you can see remove special character. And again we are gonna put a input value like 1 or 0 in the tf variable, and I'm gonna just put, sorry I put wrong command, name equal to tf or button, sorry, checkbox. It is good. And I forget here you want to write action and the method equal to get. There is a two method available. You can see control space get and post. We just need to do is get. We now need is get. Okay, control S. Now let's add space between these things, br, and it is good. Now let's see what have I done here. Reload this, and you can see there is a little space between text and the checkbox and the submit button. If you want to change a submit button size or width, you can do it. Search, only search, you want to search how to change submit button size and width and whatever in HTML. But now this is good. Okay, we can write anything, and let's see submit, and then you can see, now you can see here all text is showing, but you can see box is equal to on. Now what is this? We put a value of submit checkbox whenever checkbox is true, so it is showing us on. And if I remove this, and let's see, now it isn't showing anything. Okay, you got it? Let's see, when I take here and submit, and you can see on button is showing, on text is showing. Okay, we done a lot of thing here. Now the question is how we can get this text and this on and off value in our project. So there is a simple answer is go on URLs and go on views, and this request parameter is helping us. Let's see, txt equal to request dot capital get dot small get, and now here what we want the what is name, yes, we want our text. So where is text name? Yes, name equal to text. You can see name equal to text, so we want text, so just write text and let's print text. Okay, let's print, or you can return text, but let's now print text, sorry, txt, because we stored this value in txt. Let's print the control S, reload this. Now I'm gonna write some code. This site can't be reached. Okay, reload again. We got it here. Let's write all in one code is best. Let's submit. You can see here nothing, and but here you can see text is printed. Where is text? Yes, there is our text. You can see text equal to all in one code is the best. You can see text is printed. And but what if we can't get a text? It will be showing error. So that's why we put default value. Okay, so we got text. Now we want is checkbox. like here you can see in the home.html we can see here or type equal to name equal to checkbox. We can control C and chk bk equal to request dot capital get dot small get. First is, so we got here only on, we can't get off because it will be returning only on, and that's why we need to write off here for default value. Okay, let's print. No, we are not gonna print now, you know that it is working. Okay, now what we are gonna do is we are making a loop. Here you can see whenever I write something like this, but we put like this value like special character and then, so we need only is this and this character, not these, because these are special character. When I click on remove special character and submit, so only it will be showing only this and this character, not these. Okay, you got it? So for that I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna make a variable, like I'm gonna just make a chr. No, chr is inbuilt function. Okay, txt2 is good now. txt2 equal to nothing. Okay, while I'm gonna take for loop for character in txt. For character in txt, for character in txt, so we need to remove all the special characters. So that's why if now which is the special character, how it is no, so I'm gonna make variable spl chr equal to, I'm gonna add all the special character 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 40 50 70 80 90 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 or something, I don't know. Okay, you can see here we got error, so that's why you need to add a 3 comma here. What is called, I don't know what is called comma or what is, whatever, you need to write 3 dot here in the upper. Okay, so whenever in the text you see here you want to remove it, so for that if character special character spl chr in, I'm right before, I'm gonna rewrite this, if character not in special character, so then txt2 equal to txt2 plus txt. Okay, you got it or not? Let's try it is running or not. Now what we are gonna do is in this part we are gonna title it special character remover. Okay, so now in the body I'm gonna just write in the head 1, let's write in the center first, center, and then head 1. Before removed special character is Okay, now I'm gonna stop. Let's add font color equal to, what is gonna add color is like purple. Okay, purple, and I'm gonna end the body, not body, I'm gonna end the font here. Okay, it's done. And I'm gonna copy this code, paste. Now you are thinking why I paste this code 4 times. You'll know. Okay, so what is this? This is helping us to pass the dictionary in the, to use dictionary in the any HTML page. So if I need to, you got it. First I'm gonna write here dictionary text. So text, and the text is txt. Is this okay? Yes, this is okay, txt. And the second one is after removed. So after removed is I'm gonna, let's take rtxt is good. Okay, and the rtxt is txt2. This is or txt2. Yes. Okay, we are gonna print this txt2 is here. Where these are site 2. Yes, this is our site 2. You can see here we literally are gonna paste txt, what we named text, and rtxt, text and rtxt we can use here. Let's Control S and let's run it. It is working or not. I hope it working. Let's see. And don't scare if it isn't working. Try again. Okay, let's reload this. We got error. We are gonna reload again. Let's try something. Let's write something. All in, what is, I got, I'm gonna just literally randomly adding value, all in one, randomly adding value some kind of one. Okay, all in, there is n, yes, this is or n, and all in one. Let's try submit. Oh, we didn't got a value. Before remove special character and after remove special character is working, but we ain't got value. So go on the PyCharm and let's see what is the problem here. So for seeing what is the problem, I am just gonna comment it now because I don't want to see it now. Okay, I'm just gonna print the text value. Okay, txt is good. Txt equal to, I'm gonna write like randomly. This is not a random, but okay, txt equal to text from this or home.html, and this is our text. You can see a text name equal to text. We got text, and the txt2 equal to all-in-one code. Okay, and the text and rtxt. Let's see text and rtxt. Let's run it. Control S. And I'm just gonna go here and resubmit it. Oh, the problem is in the home.html. Okay, we got here, we got error. So the error is we need to write this whole code in the site 2 because we need to showing a site 2. Okay, let's put this code here and let's now run it and change it site2.html, site 2. Okay, you got it or not? Let Control S and reload this page. Let's write something. First I'm gonna see this is showing or not. Submit. This is my mistake, but the whole mistake is solved. Now you can see here I passed the txt and txt2 arguments in the site2.html. You can see here I used that dictionary here. You can see txt1 and txt2. Let's run this code and see what we got. I'm gonna just reload it and let's write something here. Let's see we will got something or not. Let's submit and boom, we got all-in-one and all-in-one code. So you know what is this all-in-one code? This is all-in-one code from text and this is from dictionary. Let's see. In the PyCharm you can see here we entered all-in-one code text. Now I am gonna remove it and now I'm gonna remove it too and let's see we got our output or not. Control S and let's run it. But first we are gonna change this color, and so that's why go in the site2.html and then only change the color, and then simply I'm gonna change color like this is red or I need to blue. Yes, this is kind of good. Let's see what is the output of our code. Reload it first. Let's see. Now I'm gonna enter any string, but O L E one. Let's see what we got. Let's submit it. Oh, there is a problem in our loop. You can see the output is coming but not what we want. Okay, so let's again go in the PyCharm. Okay, the problem is here I put character. I need to write character. Okay, I put txt. Okay, we got here Vivek. The 7 is I put mistakenly. Okay, we got Vivek. Now let's try again this code. When we are write something like I'm gonna write here remove this, and I'm gonna put here all this special character and see it will be removing or not. Let's try. Submit and you can see remove this, all the special character is gone. Okay, we successfully run our program. It is successfully run. Okay, now what we are gonna do here, if we check here, so then and then only all the special character is gone and else go nothing. Okay, let's try this code. Okay, I'm gonna write this here. I'm just literally gonna do is if chkbk equal to on, so then and then only this printed. I'm gonna just put tab here, and in the else part I'm gonna else, I'm gonna just literally print. In the else part, I'm gonna just literally print only txt. Else, I'm gonna just literally pass it. Okay, so let's try it. I'm gonna go in the PyCharm, and if I didn't click in the remove special characters and directly submit, and then you can see there is a nothing. But when I am gonna click on the special remove special character check button, and then you can see we got the remove this. Okay, so this is a simple logic. So thank you for today, guys. In the next video I'm gonna talk about some more. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube. So as you can see from that technique, I made a decimal to binary converter. You can see here, when I put here a binary number, decimal number like 895, so it will give me a binary number. So when I click on submit, you can see I got a binary number. You enter decimal number is 895, and the decimal to binary converted by binary number is 110111111. Okay, so how I made this project? If you want to know, just use your mind.